The side marker bulb on my 2018 Honda Civic just went out, and in this short video, I'll show you how to easily replace it yourself. Right behind the side marker lens, I'll need a screwdriver to pop this out. And from the looks of the distorted plastic, it seems like someone has already done this before. It can be helpful to remove these two screws and pull back the plastic wheel well cover, but I'm just going to leave this in place. So now, with a flathead screwdriver, insert the tip into the backside of the metal body panel. This is the side facing the engine compartment. Then, lightly press in towards the front of the car to pop out the lens. Just be aware there's not much slack in the wiring, so it's not going to come out far. But turn the side marker lens clockwise to detach it from the wiring harness. Now, to remove the old bulb, just pull it straight out. And here are the replacement bulbs that fit this and many other Honda vehicles. I'll list this in the description to make it easy for you to find. To insert the new bulb, check the orientation of the socket and push the bulb straight in. Then slip the lens cover back on and turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn. To finish up, insert the front end first and then snap the lens back on. This is now done, but I've got some extra helpful tips for you after I do a quick test to confirm this is working. Yeah, so this is looking good. Okay, and here are some things I learned that you might find helpful when popping out the side marker lens. Make sure the screwdriver is behind the painted metal body panel. On my car, the metal is a little bent, which means someone did it incorrectly before I bought this car. And here's a closer look at the tab that needs to be pushed to release the lens. And it doesn't take much pressure to pop this out. And here's the last tip. If you want to switch to longer lasting LED bulbs, just know that the depth of the lens is very shallow. So not every LED bulb will work. But I've listed the compatible LED in the description if you want to go in that direction. Hopefully you can see that replacing the side marker bulb on a Honda Civic is really easy to do. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.